Sport Report by Dash, Leo, and Caleb. The sport we chose was baseball, and the action we decided to choose was pitching, or throwing a baseball. The muscle we decided to analyze was the tricep, and how it provided power to a throw. The tricep is located on the upper backside of your arm, between the elbow and shoulder. The tricep is made up of 3 heads: the lateral head, the long head, and the medial head. All 3 heads of the tricep are attached to the ulna bone via one tendon. When the tricep contracts, it pulls the tendon extending the forearm. These are all the bones in your arm that are connected to the tricep. They are the humerus, the ulna, the radius, and the capitellum. What type of lever is the tricep? The tricep is a first-degree lever. This means that the fulcrum, or the joint, is in the middle, in between the effort and the load. The load, in this case, is the ball that you are throwing, and the effort is coming from the tricep muscle. The ideal baseball throw. The ideal position to release the ball is when the forearm makes a slightly more than 90-degree angle with the humerus. At this instant, the ball's tangential velocity will be almost completely horizontal. After all, horizontal speed is what matters when pitching a baseball. The ball will inevitably be accelerated downward during its trajectory, so releasing the ball at an angle slightly greater than 90 degrees will give the ball a slightly vertical velocity that will counteract this downward acceleration. Once the ball is released, it follows the principles of projectile motion and maintains its horizontal velocity while increasing its downward velocity. How does torque affect a baseball pitch? The tricep seems to not understand a fundamental principle of torque. That is, that a greater radius allows us to exert less force to achieve the same torque. The tricep tendon attaches to the olecranon process through the ulna, which is the bony, prominent part of the elbow. This point of attachment creates a small radius relative to the length of the forearm. Maybe this is one of the reasons why humans aren't very strong. Our bodies don't understand torque. Finally, here's a time lapse of some baseball pitches.